Welcome to the Me&Co assembly video. Before we begin, make sure you have all the parts listed in the assembly guide and organize them by type and size. You will also need a Phillips or star screwdriver. Begin with the top panel. Lay it upside down on a soft surface and screw in the cam pins. Fit the cleat between the side panels, ensuring the dowels fit into the holes. Secure it using conformat screws. Prepare the division and side panels by inserting the cams into the large holes. Make sure the arrow on the cam faces the nearest side. Next, attach the division and side panels to the top panel and tighten using the cam pins. Place the bottom onto the main body. Insert conformat screws and tighten. Place each backboard against the back side of the build and secure them with conformat screws. Next, attach the top shelf and secure it with conformat screws. Now, fit the magnetic catches to the inside of each box. Screw in the catch plates to each flap. Next, attach the hinges to the flaps. Fit the flap stays to each flap. Secure the flaps by attaching the hinges to the inside of each box. Attach the flap stays to the inside of each box. Finally, fit the unit to a wall using the provided screws and plugs. There we go, setup complete. Remember to use a damp cloth when cleaning. Avoid using excessive water as this may cause damage and void the warranty. Thank you for choosing Me&Co.